You can't say that change can be brought in by the rich class. No, it will not be done. Rich is always sthitiwadi. He likes the system as it is. Because in that system, in that sthiti, he can make maximum profit. You can't expect a change from the poorest of poor, from the lower class of society. No, because he is busy about his own bread and butter. He doesn't know what he's going to or whether he's going to eat in the night. So, that top man is self-centric, the down man is also self-centric, and the middle class is busy in enjoying his own luxuries and pains. So it is not expected from that or them also. It is not expected from we people. We are in politics. You cannot expect such a radical change from the society of politicians. I am making a responsible statement. Perhaps Agarwal ji will not agree with me. But you cannot expect radical change from the community of politicians. Because we also believe in keeping evolving situation. आज थोड़ा देखेंगे क्या होता है, लोगों का राय देंगे क्या करते हैं, उसके बाद में करें. Here we need revolution, and this type of thing can happen only through the captains of the industry. Captains can change it, and if captain can change, then you should change it. Therefore, it is my appeal to all of you, on behalf of the Society of India, that it is not the time for you to stay on the ringside, just to finance when the elections come. No, this is not the time for you to be a spectator. It is the time for you to throw your ring in the hat in the ring and play positively. Definitely, I know India can be turned around, and if you have people who can turn it around and they get the support from you people, then definitely India has the brightest future. Thanks for calling me.